take your hair down. We're here for like a sewing with you, all right?
Yes.
Or just the front?
Close your sewing. Yeah.
How long is your hair?
During this service, the whole time I was questioning, should I charge her extra? Should I charge her extra? I was braiding for an hour and a half. Usually I braid for an hour, and still I was like, should I charge her extra? My arms started hurting, and I was like, should I charge her extra? Because her hair is so long and thick, and it took me longer, way longer than I usually should. And you know, as a hairstylist, you charge by your time. But in the end, I did ask my followers on my stories to ask if I should have charged her extra, and it was on my bad because I already charged her before her service. That is a part of my policy. You pay 100%, and I didn't charge her extra, you guys. I didn't feel well charging her extra because even though I did more, it didn't sit well with me. So this is the finished look, and let me guys know what you think in this section. Oh, and we did a sewing with lace closure, the glueless method, and I will list all the products that I've used in this video.